This is Nancy Leader on the Zeta Report.
On October 16, 2010, the Zetas predicted the plate movements would start, beginning with a tilting of India, which had occurred by the fall of 2010, sinking the Indus Valley in Pakistan by the end of 2010 by the predicted 10 feet. Throughout 2011, the predicted sinking of the Sunda Plate emerged, though this was denied by the governments, who feared the public would take the Zeta predictions seriously. All flooding was to be ascribed to rain, even when the water was pouring in from the sea and the rainfall slight. By the end of 2011, even the Jakarta government was admitting that 70% of North Jakarta was below sea level. Countries on the Sunda Plate include Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines. The October 16, 2010 Zeta prediction on sea level loss would flood the areas in red. Let's take a tour comparing this prediction to images from the MODIS satellites, which fly overhead daily. Those portions of southern Borneo that would be affected by an 80-foot drop in elevation appear to indeed be flooded. Vietnam clearly shows the 40-foot elevation drop predicted, though this flooding was kept out of the media almost entirely. Cambodia likewise shows flooding to the 40-foot elevation drop predicted. This flooding did get some media attention, but was ascribed to rain, even when the waters have never drained. Then there was Bangkok, which got into the media worldwide, but only because it's such a vacation spot. Again, closely correlated with the 40-foot elevation drop predicted by the Zetas. Coming down the Malay Peninsula, we find the mayor of Penang complaining about the 1 inch of water perpetually in his airport terminal, with no mention of the permanent flooding across the way on the peninsula. The 50-foot elevation drop predicted by the Zetas is clearly evident. On the eastern shores of Sumatra, again one can clearly see elevation loss to the 80-foot level predicted by the Zetas. There is water on the land. Then there is the island of Java, where one can likewise see the coastline eaten away to the 80-foot level. It is no longer an issue of whether the Sunda Plate is sinking per the Zeta prediction. The Sunda Plate has sunk.
Until next time on the Zeta Report, I'm Nancy Leader.